2021 was the greatest year of my life, and here's why. Previously, I thought 2020 was the greatest year of my life, and even though we faced a devastating global pandemic, it gave me an opportunity to free up my schedule to do what I love most, travel. And through those travels, it led me to what I love equally as much, and that's filming my travel. So by the time 2021 rolled around, I was already filming everything, and I set out on a mission to make content creation my career. Not too long into January, I saw an Instagram story from a surfer that I followed, and he was looking for a filmer and editor for his YouTube channel. Oddly enough, his name is Poopies, and he's also known for doing crazy stunts. And don't ask me why they call him Poopies. But I responded via DM, and boom, the very next day I was down in Carlsbad following around somebody I had watched on YouTube for years. It also turns out he's going to be a star in the new movie Jackass Forever. So needless to say, we started getting into some crazy stuff.
Warning. The stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
No! You guys should start surfing more, huh?
Wave of the day, dude. Oh, yeah, baby!
I mean, the dude has almost killed me a couple times.
Oh shit, dude. Oh fuck, no. No. Oh my god!
Jack, you gotta come with me.
On the bridge?
Yes. This is probably the scariest thing I've ever fucking done in my life. Jack's not even looking at the camera. Jack, you're a legend.
There he is.
Oh, he's coming, bro. Yeah, keep doing it. Do it, Poopies. Whoa!
But then again, I almost killed him too. I made him jump off an active oil rig in Long Beach.
Holy shit! Here we go! Holy shit! 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! So if you guys can't read, it says 34-year-old male jumped off an oil platform into the water and now is having lumbar pain.
But damn, I love that guy. He took me to some awesome places and introduced me to some awesome people.
What's up, dude?
Hey, man, dude.
Oh, wow! Got him! Damn, what's up, brother? Oh, see you. Come on.
Which leads me to the most legendary jackass of them all, Steve-O. And 2 weeks after meeting him, he invited me up to Hollywood to help him finish editing a video.
We've been editing footage all night. It's 2 in the morning, and Jack needs a new pillowcase. But the pillowcases are in the room that Poops is in. Poops!
Holy shit, dude. Whoa, bro.
How are you, dude?
It was in Fiji, get barrel.
And that night led to the greatest phone call I'll probably ever receive in my entire life.
Poopy's guy, Jack. Yo, Jack, dog. What's
happening?
Dude, I'm just calling to ask you if you do you have a full-time regular job?
I don't right now. I'm just doing freelance video work, basically.
Alright, do you want a full-time regular job?
I would love a full-time regular job for sure.
And that phone call led to the craziest summer I've ever had, which started out with us immediately getting on a plane to the Bahamas, where the Jackass crew was going to film a special episode of Shark Week. Which Poopies got fully attacked by a shark and nearly lost his hand. But don't worry, he's okay. But what else happened this summer? Oh yeah, we had Steve-O Dude and the Nelk Boys shoot Steve-O in the ear with a t-shirt cannon full of dog poop.
1, 2, 3.
The fucking spray was everywhere. Shit on my hand. I got shit on my fucking shooter lens.
I got an earful!
Yeah. Oh, shit.
on his ear.
I also got to hang out with the greatest skater of all time, Tony Hawk. Not once, but twice. And once was that pro skater Bob Burnquist Mega Ramp contest. Later in the summer is when my buddy Cameron and I entered the Spirit of Surfing Challenge to win an all-expenses-paid trip to Kelly Slater's Surf Ranch, which is a wave pool that costs around $60,000 a day to rent. I already told you that story in another video, which you need to go watch if you haven't. But the bottom line is we won the contest and got to spend 2 days at the ranch with pro surfers Jerry Lopez, Alex Knost, and Ryan Birch. Here's some of the highlights. Surprisingly enough, 2 weeks later, Steve-O flew us to Texas for his bucket list tour, where we got to surf another wave pool, BSR Cable Park.
Jack the Ripper! Super Bro Topical, it's on! Woo!
That's what I like to see out at BSR, this full sentence.
I just want to say I'm so blessed for all the opportunities I've been given this year, and I want to thank my 384 current subscribers for watching my channel. I know we're going to hit 1 million one day. Going into 2022, I promise I'll be uploading more regularly. I want to make this year even more epic than last year. But that's all I got. I hope everybody has a great year, and I'll see you guys in the next one.